Are your CEF project apps crashing due to the Java Chromium Embedded Framework DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we start the Java Chromium Embedded Framework configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Java Chromium Embedded Framework. The Java Chromium Embedded Framework, JCEF, library bridges the Chromium browser engine with the Java AWT and Swing UI. It is used to display complex web content inside Java applications like IntelliJ IDEA or specific game launchers. Its absence results in the Java virtual machine throwing an unsatisfied link error, effectively breaking any integrated web views or login portals within the application. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The Java Chromium Embedded Framework DLL library is bundled specifically for CEF project operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Java Chromium Embedded Framework message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Java Chromium Embedded Framework DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Java Chromium Embedded Framework. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Java Chromium Embedded Framework dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.